You saw the short. Now here's the literal blueprint. Making $100 a day isn't a dream. It's just math. Sell a $20 product to 5 people, and you're there. Here are 5 products you can build this weekend. 1. Notion templates. Find a specific problem like ADHD productivity. Build the solution in Notion. Export the template link and list it on Etsy for $15. 7 sales a day is your target. This means tapping into a hungry market on platforms designed for digital sales. With minimal effort after creation, these templates sell while you sleep. 2. Canva social sets. Stop selling single posts. Bundle 50 templates for a niche like real estate. Give them a share link in a PDF. At $25 a bundle, you only need 4 sales. Canva is intuitive, making creation fast. Target small businesses or busy content creators who need professional visuals without the design headache. The demand for consistent, brand-aligned social media is higher than ever. 3. AI prompt libraries. People are struggling with AI. Curate 100 high-level prompts for marketing or coding. Organize the PDF, set up a Gumroad store, and sell for $10. 10 sales a day is a $3,000 monthly side hustle. Businesses and solopreneurs are desperate to save time on content generation. Your curated prompts become a shortcut to efficiency. 4. Google Sheet trackers. Finance trackers are evergreen. Build a debt snowball sheet. Lock the formulas and sell the Make a Copy link on Pinterest. It's passive, $20 per click value. People are always looking for smarter ways to manage their money, and a well-designed tracker removes a huge mental burden. 5. Mini e-guides. Take a skill like growing a faceless channel and write a 20-page quick start guide. Use Canva for the layout. Sell it via Stan Store for $27. Just 4 sales a day puts you over the $100 mark. You already have expertise. Package it for others. E-guides are highly scalable, providing value at a low cost of entry. Pick one. Don't try all 5. Master one. Hit your first $100, then scale. Which one are you starting? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe for the next pulse.